Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today we are putting the brand new GoPro Mission 1 Pro to the test against the GoPro 12, the DJI Osmo Action 4, and one extra mystery device. We capture photos and videos with all the cameras in different situations. Pause the video because your mission is simple. Watch every click careful and choose the number you think belongs to the GoPro Mission 1 Pro. Drop your guesses in the comments below and tell us which camera you think performed the best. At the end of the video, we'll reveal which camera was which and see who guesses correctly. Let the challenge begin. Now the moment of the truth. Did you choose your favorite photo and video? Did you guess which camera take the photo? We are going to see it in few seconds. I just discovered this other one. Look at this. This release this door and you can have access to the other door that show the USB-C connector, the SD card and the battery. Let me do it. Remove the camera from here and I just take out this door. So now we have full access, but even this other door can be removed to finally have the cage connected with the USB or to have access to the SD card. So, are you surprised by the result? Put your comment in the link below. Thanks for watching until the end and remember, see you on the next video.